Hi everyone, on previous video I created a JavaScript quiz application and today I'm going to show you how to deploy this application to internet using GitHub Pages and make it available online. Let's get started. So let me remember about our application. We have simple JavaScript quiz and question and the proposed answer. Let me check this to make sure that everything is working. So yes, we are good and we can deploy our application to GitHub. Um, First of all, you need GitHub account and I'm pressing new button and it proposes me to create a repository name. Let it be quiz app and no, it will be public. And now I'm going to create repository. And GitHub just proposed what to do, and I'm going to follow this instruction. So I need terminal. Here is my code that was previously implemented in previous video, and I'm going to open terminal and run commands. So first of all, we initialized Git inside our repository. So I don't need any README files. Before commit, I need to add all my files. Okay, and now I can commit. Let's comment. Let's make some meaningful name. Click up. Okay, and now we need to switch to main branch and follow all these commands. And the last one, push. Okay, it shows me that I successfully pushed the application. And now I'm going to navigate to my code on GitHub. So as you can see, it was pushed just now, and there are our 3 files. So now I need to go to settings and pages and specify deploy from a branch and put here main and root. So the settings are good. We can navigate to quiz application and we need to commit something to activate our actions. So in previous video it was a small mistake and let's fix it now. So this score is can be more than 4 if I choose all these correct answers. As you can see, 5. So let's fix it. We just need to set score to 0. Scores, just scores. And let me push this fix to GitHub. Git add comment message fix false error and just push. Okay. It was successful, and let's check that we have correct answers. And start again. Okay, it works. Okay, and let's move to our repo. And as you can see, there's success. Okay, let's navigate to action, and as you can see, here's our action, and we can take a look at it. And here it is our application. And now I can put this into my browser, and I can check my application online. And you can share the link to your application. It works as locally, and everything looks good. And now every time we push the comment, the application will be deployed and updated. That's all what I have. If you liked the video, subscribe to my DevWeb blog channel. Goodbye.